Okay, this is the nice example. Okay, guys. Now let's talk about the stirrup. I want you to focus on this part of the stirrup. Yeah, this stirrup between the support and also the field will have the very different spacing atau memiliki jarak spasi yang berbeda. Why is that so? Because this is actually based on the calculations in MER. Ya, saya nggak akan jelaskan itu ya. But one thing that you have to understand, this is the area of this is the area of the support. Yeah. So if you take a look the stirrup very close uh, in the support, but it will be long spacing if the position in the middle of the field. Ya. Jadi jumlahnya akan semakin berkurang ketika di tengah. Okay, for information, if I have a beam, like this, the quarter part of the length will be ini ya, seperempat itu akan menjadi lapangan. A quarter in this will be support and a half will be field. Nah, ini boleh dicatat, ini dasar dari ini ya. Ini dasar dari mekanika rekayasa. Oke ya. Jadi if I have beam with the length 10 meters, my support in this part will be 2.5 meters. The support in over here will be 2.5 meters and the field will be 5 meters. Oke. Ini adalah tumpuan dan lapangan. Sudah diajarkan toh ini ya? Di beton ya? Belum juga? Oh, oke, yaudah. Intinya paham itu dulu ya. So basically, a half will be support because if you summarize within a quarter and a quarter, it will be a half, and a half also will be field, ya, menjadi lapangan. Nah, tumpuan lapangan intinya kayak gitu aja. Oke, oke, is that clear sampai sini? Okay. Okay, after understand those concepts, let we calculate in the Excel again. I will write down over here the stirrup. The stirrup with diameter 8 again. But the positions in field. I will do the same. I will make stirrup field 8 in support. Okay. Okay, I have the stirrup diameter 8. How I know those kind of diameter? I have to take a look based on the detail drawing. Yeah. Okay, the detail. Oh, sorry. Unfortunately, it's not 8. I will revise first. 8, kemudian tumpuan let's assume it is 150. Oke ya. Ini kayaknya dia copy paste aja nih. Enggak tidak diperhitungkan ya. Oke. Saya revisi dulu. Oke, guys. Jadi this is the spacing in the support and this is the spacing 200 meters in the field. Oke, sekarang first I will put the identity diameter 8. I will find the diameter in meters will be okay. Now the quantity. Okay, guys. After we calculate the stirrup, the band reinforcement, what we have to do next is calculate the length of one stirrup. Jadi bagaimana mencari panjang satu stirrup? Kemarin masih ingat nggak caranya? You still remember, guys? How I can calculate the length for one stirrup?
Lupa, Pak.
Oh, lupa. Okay. This is the sections of the beam with the dimension 15 times 30. We already know that the concrete have the concrete cover over here. Kita pakai berapa kemarin? Do you still remember?
3, Pak.
Berapa? 3 ya? Oke, boleh lah. Boleh 3, boleh 2,5 ya. Oke, let's assume we use, ini aja lah, pakai 2,5 aja ya. Biar enak angkanya ya. Let's assume that the concrete cover between this part and the reinforcement this is 2.5 meters. Yeah. This is 2.5 meters. This is 2.5 meters. And this is also 2.5 meters. So the questions will be, how long actually this part? Berapa? Oke, 25 ya. 25 centimeters. Kalau yang ini?
10, sir.
10 centimeters. Oke, so I have 25 here. Ini kalau tulangannya sengkang dipanjangin tuh punya kayak gini. 25, I have 10, I have 25 also, and I have 10. Ini let's assume this is 5 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters. So how many line for one stirrup? Berapa totalnya? 5 tambah 25, 30, 30 tambah 10, 40 ya?
Iya, Pak.
Multiple with 2. Ya. 80
80
centimeters, same light 0.8 meters.
meters.
Okay. 0.8 meters we will put on our calculation in Excel. I have the length for one stirrup is 0.8. Now the next questions will be how many stirrup that I need to put in the field. Ada yang tahu? Nggak tahu. Oke. Kemarin kalau kita nyari jumlah sengkang untuk kolom bagaimana caranya? When we calculate the quantity of stirrup in column,
Kemarin ada
how the
jaraknya.
equation? Bagaimana? Ya Pak, ya Pak Mas?
Yang saya dengar kemarin ada jaraknya, Pak. 1, berapa? 1,5.
1,5. Nggak mencari jumlah stirupnya gimana? Yang kolom kemarin.
Length dibagi 1,5.
Ya, length dibagi 1,5. Nah, betul. Nah, we do the same way for the stirrup, for the beam. Ya. First, we have to understand that a half part of the total length will be the field. So I will take 35 and divide it with 2. Ya, dibagi dengan 2. Karena setengah akan menjadi lapangan dan setengah lagi akan menjadi support. A half will be the field and a half will be support. So I will take a half for the field and then I will divide it with the spacing between one stirrup and another stirrup, but the position in the field. In the field, the spacing will be 0.15 or 15 centimeters. So the quantity for the stirrup that I will need is approximately 117. Guys, yeah. And what I have to do next is I have to multiply with this quantity with the total length, with the length for one stirrup. I will get the total length 93 meters. I will do the calculation for the volume, same like the previous calculation. I get the 0.004. I use this density also, and I will calculate the rebar weight with this equation. Nah, so I get the stirrup weight about 36 kilogram. I do the same way for the stirrup for diameter 8 in the support. I get the diameter 8. I will drag it down. Diameter also we find the same way. And then the quantity will be same like these previous calculations. I will divide it 35 with 2, but then I will divide it with the spacing. Sorry, the spacing. Oh, sorry ya. I think I'm switch tertukar ya. Support itu 0.15, but field 0.2 ya. Dari sini. Ya, ini. Nah, ini lapangan 0.2 and this is the support 0.15. Alright. The length same, yeah. The syrup basically have the same dimension. I will do the same way to looking for the total length. The total length will be the multiple between quantity and the length. I get this number. And then I calculate the volume like previous calculation. I have density of the steel also over here. And I will do the same calculations like this. Yeah. Multiple between the volume and also the density of the steel. Okay. The next step, I will accumulate total week for beam number 1. Just summarize all the number. Okay. Any questions until this part? Bingung nggak sih pakai Excel? Atau saya harus pakai tulisan tangan untuk menjelaskan?
How to get about volume?
Apa?
Volume.
Volume.
Cara cari volumenya, Pak.
Oh, cara cari volumenya. Oke. Okay. The equity to find the volume, you have to find the area of the circle. This is the equation of the area of the circle. Yeah. The equation is a quarter multiple with P and multiple with diameter pangkat 2 apa itu? How I pronounce this one? D square ya. D square ya. Is that right? Okay. This is the equation to looking for the area of circle. Yeah. And if you want to get the volume, you have to multiply this total of area with the length, yeah, with the length. So this is actually the length that we're looking for, yeah. All right,
Yes.
Abraham, clear.
Ya, clear.
Okay. Ada lagi yang tanya?
Ya, clear Pak.
Oke, thank you.
Itu apa kita nggak usah bedakan Pak yang rebar weight-nya diameter 8 sama diameter 12?
Oh, nggak perlu. Kan sudah sama-sama sudah dikonversi dan satuan kilo.
Ya.
Oh. Nanti di ini ya, in the quantity atau in the calculation, you will not separate it between main stirrup and main reinforcement and stirrup ya. Jadi yang ada di RAB itu adalah total berat untuk balok ya. So what actually appear in the calculations for the cost estimate adalah the total week, the final total week. Okay. Now you do the same way for calculating. Okay, this is the cost. Nah, if you want to calculate about kilogram units, itu akan sama semua. Oke, kalau kilogram will be ini total. This is the total week that we have to show. Ya, mana tadi kemarin? Reinforcement. For column, I already cut. Okay, 58. I will copy the number. The column for reinforcement. Okay, I put it over here. Yeah, square meter, kilogram. And the beam reinforcement. The beam reinforcement will be. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. Sorry for the interruption. BIM sudah. Ada yang ditanyakan dulu nggak sampai ini? Udah pusing?
Lumayan, Pak.
Lumayan ya. Oke, ini saya stop recordnya ya. Biar